Hi and welcome to Business with Joe. I'm Joe and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make extra money, and this is just one video in a series of 9, so in total you'll see 80 plus ideas for you to make some more money. All you need is either a computer or a phone with internet access, or the ability to walk around your local town or city, because all the things I'm going to tell you about you'll be able to do with the skills you already have or are new jobs that are easy to start. In this video I'm going to show you 9 jobs where you can start making some serious money almost immediately. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the alert bell. Each week I'll be posting new videos, so don't miss out on the opportunities I'll be posting in the coming weeks. If you work a normal 9 to 5 job, then all you can earn is your wage. Maybe if you're lucky you can get the occasional bonus, but most of the time all you'll get is set pay. This is known as an active income, as you can't really change to a great degree your monthly wage. You only get paid for the work you complete. In this video I'm going to show you several ways you can increase this active income, but I'm also going to tell you lots of ways to make a passive income. With a passive income you could be asleep or out with your friends and you'll still be earning money. How cool is that? With most passive income models, all you have to do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep coming in, with no other work needed, other than doing some marketing for what you or other people have made or a product or service you are promoting. Before we start, let me tell you that the websites or companies that I'm suggesting in this video are all from personal experience of actually using them, or someone that I know has recommended them to me. I will tell you if it's an affiliate link to any of the sites, but again, I'm only recommending links because of personal use or recommendations. You'll be able to find links to any of the sites I mentioned below in the description. So let's get going. 64. Edit videos online. We all know that video is growing like crazy and everyone wants one to promote their products or services. And with the upsurge of HD quality smartphones, we can all get that high quality look. However, a lot of companies then let themselves down by the editing of their video. People are looking for professional help cutting their raw footage into great content. If you have the right software and a bit of skill, you can easily make money online as a video editor. Check out the relevant jobs on sites like Mandy.com, Creative Cow or Production Hub. 65. Build a niche website. Find an audience for your passion or hobby and you're all set to make money online doing something you love via a niche website. I know that's easier said than done, of course. Creating a niche website that makes money takes time and is not intended for anyone looking for quick cash. But if you can handle the challenges and you believe there's a market for a website business idea you're thinking about, then you can begin to build it and grow, which will eventually start to make you money through advertising, affiliates and other relevant products within your niche. Check out FameBit for ways to get sponsors as well. 66. Become a contract customer service superstar. Do you like talking to people and helping them through problems? You can bring in extra income as a contract customer support worker for companies all over the world. Online is now definitely 24/7 business, and so companies are looking for people in different time zones to help deal with issues that their users are having. If you have experience in service or retail, you'll have a good grounding and should be well suited to dealing with problems that should arise. Check out the site Indeed or other remote job boards to find opportunities. 67. Become an online notary. I know this one is a bit specialist, but I try and cater for all needs here at Business for Joe. Each year, hundreds of millions of documents are needed to be notarized, such as wills, mortgages, citizenship forms, and in the US there's of course handgun applications. And let's wait to see what forms we'll have to fill in once Great Britain leaves the EU. While for years this has been done in person, now there are a crop of sites that allow notaries to take their services online. If you're already a notary, you can sell your businesses online. Or if you want to get started, check out the National Notary website for how to get certified. 68. Run software training workshops. Are you an expert on Excel or a whiz on Word? Do you know how to create formulas or what keys to press for shortcuts on spreadsheets? Then your talent might be in demand. Companies are always on the lookout on how to save time and money, And if you know how to make life easier, like how to calculate stock or merge addresses, then needs businesses need your help. I have a friend that does this as a very successful job and travels all over the country teaching individuals and companies. Try to be flexible with what you offer, as you can tailor training that is specific to a company's needs. Talk to potential businesses to see if they are struggling with certain tasks, and then build your training around this just for them. They will pay a premium for this service, and if you can save them money, you'll be a star in their eyes. 69. Lend your voice to voiceovers. Has anyone ever told you you have a voice for radio? Can you create original characters with your voice or read like a newsreader? There are loads of people looking to pay for quality voiceovers for their corporate videos, animation series, education videos or audiobooks. Check out Fiverr and Upworks or create a profile on specialist sites like Voices or VoiceRealm to get started making money online doing voiceovers. 70. Do extras work. Think of yourself as a budding actor, or have you ever wanted to see what happens on a film set? A fun way of earning some money is to be an extra on films or television programs. Keep an eye out in trade magazines or online at several sites that advertise extras work, such as Fame Street. It's not just for budding actors. I have a friend that just enjoys being on set. He has no aspirations to become an actor, but he says it's a great way of earning a bit of extra cash. 71. Rent out your camera gear. Thanks to online marketplace websites like KitSplit, it's never been easier to rent out your camera gear that spends more time sitting in your cupboard than it does out on location. For cameras to lenses and so much more, there are over 40,000 people using KitSplit to earn a passive income from renting out the camera gear they already own. If you're not using it, then you might as well earn some extra money while somebody else does. 72. Flip items at flea markets. Do you know you can make a lot of money flipping items from flea markets and thrift stores onto eBay or even back onto the market? You don't need to have loads of money to start, but if you buy correctly, you can flip it on site or at markets for double or more. Visiting thrift stores, house clearance sales or flea markets can turn things you picked up cheap into a profitable reselling business. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.